Welcome back to my new video, guys. This is just a quick update on the Jeep of my girlfriend's. You can see it actually looks clean and there isn't no dust or anything like that, and I managed to do my best to clean the wheels and all that. It looks really nice. Like, I like the color. So that's gonna be the new video for today, which I'll be posting probably later today, which takes forever to upload. But there she is. And she had another little request as well. She wants to get the brake calipers painted as well, so I'll be doing that as well. As you can see, you can barely see it, but the tires, the rim itself, it's all cleaned up and ready to go. So I'll be doing pretty much short clips to make it into a long video. So if you guys see like little pauses, that's the reason why. But stay tuned, you guys, and I'll keep you guys updated. So now we have the Jeep inside the garage, and I actually started a little bit of ahead of myself. As you can see, we actually have the brake caliper, and I'm actually gonna clean it really well and use sandpaper. And the type of sandpaper grit I'm gonna be using is 220, just so I can like clean out like dirt or anything that's on the surface. And I actually laid plastic just so I can be safe, not to like paint on the ground or items. And there's a tire. I still have to put this other I forgot the name of the plastic cover thing, just to cover the Jeep, just to be safe. And the items that I have that I'm gonna be using is this right here, color paint. This one I pretty much bought it at Walmart. And the type of paint I'm gonna be using for the rims is Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel. So I'm going to be using those. I have 2 of those cans, and the other one for the final touch, which I really have to like be careful with and have a mask because it smells really bad and strong, is this right here, the Spray Max 2K Clear Glamour. From experience, this spray can, this type is really good. It's really good with shine, and so hopefully it gives it that OEM factory look to it, and of course tape. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna use. And for the wax grease remover type, I actually going to use this as well, just rubbing alcohol. It actually works really good, and just so I don't have like fish eye where I'm like pretty much when someone's spraying on the surface and for some reason it gets the little bubbles. I guess they call it fish eye, but yeah, that is everything I'm gonna be using for this project. So hopefully everything turns out good, and I shall be ending this part of the clip, so stay tuned for more. And sorry if I'm all over the place. Like I said, this is like low quality, nothing too fancy with editing. Someday I'll get there. But yeah, I'm gonna be ending this clip, and I shall make another one. I'm actually gonna be using a brush so I can start cleaning all this grime and dirt that's on it. Even taking it to the car wash, it didn't really do much, but let me get this cleaned out. It's kind of hard to record and to do the same thing at the same time. All right, now it's all brushed, cleaned. As you can see, it's looking much better, and the surface is actually smooth. Now I'm actually going to use a 220 grit sandpaper over it just to give it another cleanup. And so, be right back. Alright, so I just got done sanding it down, which the sandpaper isn't too strong for because it's only 220, but how it was before, it looks so much better now. I did cleaned it with rubbing alcohol just to get it prepped up, and now I'm actually gonna cover the holes with tape just so I can protect the other side, so pretty much not to get it painted. So let me get that done, and I'm doing my best to make the video short as possible, so bear with me guys, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just got done taping it off, as you can see. So now it's actually gonna be ready for painting. So let me, oh yeah, and I still need to tape the edge of this as well. So let's get that done first, and I shall be right back. Alright you guys, so I just got done taping it, and as you can see, it's all black. Has that shine to it. The surface is a bit rough, as you can see, but it looks much better now. And for now, I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna start working on the brake caliper. So welcome back again, you guys. Sorry for the little short clips, but like I said, I'm going to make a single long video. I'm just trying to not make it too long, but it's gonna be kind of hard. But I just got done cleaning the brake calipers and sanded it down and cleaned it with rubbing alcohol. And so this is the results, and I taped it as well. So it's looking pretty good so far. And I am using a air hose compressor, which comes really in handy. So let's give it another. There we go. So I'm trying to give it that layer so it looks shiny and good. There is little, I don't know if you're able to pick that up, but little, like the surface isn't smooth because it's metal, but I did my best to clean it up. But so far so good. I don't see no imperfections with the paint. So I'm just gonna let that dry, and pretty much now I'm gonna put the tire back, and I'm gonna start painting the rim. So stay tuned guys for more. Just got done with the tire so far, and that's pretty much how it looks. The dark part is pretty much where the brake pads are, so I kind of didn't want that to have paint, but overall, let's see if I can get the light. There we go. There's a little spot where I messed up, but I mean, overall, it looks really good. Once the rim is black, I think that's gonna make it pop out way better. But I have this tire and 4 more tires to go. Pretty much the same steps. The brush, clean it off, then use the air hose compressor, I don't know what they call it, and then pretty much sand it down with 220 grit. You can use a different grit size or like however, but they're not too bad. Then after that, pretty much the same steps, taping the holes, the tire around, and cleaning it with alcohol, and pretty much paint again as always, and to let it dry. While I work on the brake pad, I pretty much just let this dry until I'm done with the brake pad, then pretty much. So on my next video, well, next clip, I'll be showing you guys on the front wheel, on the front rim, how I'm gonna do it, and you know, hopefully everything turns out good. So stay tuned, you guys. I finally started to prep the wheel. I cleaned it, so that's how it looks so far. And there's a Jeep logo under that, and I try to make like a little heart, something unique. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but you know, the point is I tried. And so I pretty much used paper to cover the back of the brake caliper and the disc, and cleaned it with rubbing alcohol like about 10 times, because then I removed the bolt, but I left one. So pretty much it's ready to go now. So let's see how it turns out. I actually got done with it, and I added the 2K clear coat. I kind of went quick on it. I think on my next one I should let it dry just for a bit and add more coats to it, but overall it turned out really nice. As you can see, looks way better. I know on camera it doesn't really pick it up so much, but in person it looks really nice. And I tried doing a little heart shape. As you can see, there's the Jeep logo. Just something unique I wanted to try, but it looks very glossy, and I'm very happy how it turned out. So it does work with duplicate color, the vinyl and fabric with the 2K clear coat. Just so if you guys are curious and want to try it yourself, it really paid off. The only thing I would say is to make sure to clean the surface with rubbing alcohol or wax and grease remover. And yeah, so I'm gonna continue doing it on all the tires, on the rims I mean, and I'll show you guys the final product. Everything turned out good. So black on black, and the little red calipers, brake calipers I mean, are done. But it actually changed the look of the Jeep. So, and I do like how it looks. As you can see, the reflection, it turned out very nice. And it amazes me like how the vinyl and fabric actually sets way better than the regular paint. So yeah, it turned out good. I do have to clean the sidewall of the tire because I didn't tape it, because I try to be careful. But overall it looks really clean and it looks very nice. So I'll be showing you guys the final part of the video. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, the whole video, so bear with me and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So I finally got done with it, and I'm very happy how it turned out. And I'll let you guys take a look at it. As you can see, it looks very glossy and it's perfect. Yeah, I did kind of oversprayed on the disc, but that shouldn't be no problem. But I really do like how it turned out. There's my truck right there. As you can see how here's the red. Pretty much I used duplicate color, the vinyl and fabric at O'Reilly's, and I never thought it would actually work with the 2K clear coat. So there's this tire as well. I'm very happy, and I don't know if the video's gonna make sense once I put it all together. So if it's all over the place, sorry you guys, I'm just not like a professional doing video recordings, but over time I should. And I try to do a little heart. Here is the back. So I'm very happy with this, and if you guys enjoyed my video, subscribe, and if you guys have questions or comments, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see what I'll do next on my new other video. I am still waiting for which is actually the headlights for the Jeep, so I'll be doing that for my next video. So that's how it looks, and it looks really nice. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. This part is actually a bonus part of the video. I just wanted to say these are the pictures that my girlfriend took. As you can see, it looks really nice. And there's that picture and this picture. And I do like how it actually turned out. The rims, wasn't really thinking that it was actually gonna work, but I'm very happy with the results. My girlfriend is very happy with the results as well. And like I said on the end of the video, I'll be making a new video soon with the headlights. She's really excited about it. I'm excited about it. So hopefully by maybe tomorrow, I'll do another video. I know the video was like almost 20 minutes long, including this video, I mean. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my girlfriend's channel, which is simply ASMR. She's at 1.80 thousand or 1.8k subscribers. So her goal is to make it to 2,000 subscribers. So I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check her video, her YouTube channel. And if you guys like her YouTube, like her channel and her videos, subscribe. And she does really good videos. It's very relaxing if you guys are having like a rough day or pretty much anything in general. Watch her videos. It really helps. I'll leave a link down below. And if you guys enjoyed my video as well, subscribe. And like I said, my video editing isn't the best, but little by little I'll start getting better at it. I know my girlfriend, she's really good at it. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. So thanks everyone.